Today is day 7 of 10 days of Easter, and today I'm making a carrot-shaped cheese ball. In my bowl, I have 16 ounces of softened cream cheese. To that, I'm going to add 1 packet of Fiesta Ranch dip mix. Next, I'm going to add a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Then I'm just going to mix that up until it's combined. Now that the cheese mixture is ready, I lined my counter with plastic wrap. I'm going to add the cheese mixture to the plastic wrap and shape it into a carrot. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge for a few hours. Now that it's been a few hours, it's time to put the carrot together. So I crushed up some cheese balls, and that's going to be the outside coating of the carrot. Now I am going to take off the plastic wrap off the cheese ball and cover it in the crushed up cheese puffs. Now I put the carrot on a board. To make the stem part of the carrot, I'm using some parsley. Now I'm just going to stick the parsley into the top of the carrot. Next, I'm going to put some Triscuits on the board. Then I'm going to put some Ritz crackers on the other side. Here's an up-close look of the carrot cheese ball and the crackers.